Neil, are you in the fridge again? I swear you spend more time in there than the milk.
No, darling, I'm doing the washing up.
Oh yeah, sure. Anyway, you got a parcel in the conservatory, and before you ask, no, it's not snacks.
One time I ordered snacks.
Also, I forgot, you got an email from Yesoul. They asked if you wanted to demo their new treadmill. So I replied yes for you. Seeing that you're turning 59 soon, and your current cardio routine is a walk from the fridge and a walk back to the fridge.
You do know, I jog to the fridge. Right, better check this out then, I know.
Exactly my point.
Right, suppose I better give this one a try then, Ooh. So I'm hoping it's quite easy to actually do. So it's got like the lefts and the rights on and stuff as well. So hope it's straightforward. So this one, guys, actually even comes with a monitor. Wow, so you can actually watch Netflix and also any of the programs you can actually download. So I've actually downloaded the program from Yesoul, so we'll be trying that one out. So you actually do get a toolkit, so you ain't got to worry about tools as well. So we're up and running. So I'm going to go and get my gear on and give this a try. So guys, let's do it! So guys, before we go anywhere, you've got a safety switch on here. So this is a safety that pulls out just in case, and you can hear the alarm going as well. How good's that? Connect your phone to it. You can watch your Netflix, your movies. You can even watch your own YouTube channel, like I probably will. Or you can download the Yesoul app, and you've got your own personal trainer there, yeah? So, yeah, let's give it a go. And you see, this guy talks to you.
So, like I said, we are up at 2 miles an hour because I'm getting to know you. I don't know where you're at. Feel what
so you can turn it up and down as well. You can play music. So we've also got the incline, yes? So, speed it up a bit. And the incline, yeah? Oh, crikey. Yeah, so it is a quiet brushless motor. It does actually fold away, so you can fold it up, put it somewhere safe, yeah, but make sure you hide it from your friends who are coming to see it, because I know they'll want to have a go as well. So yeah, you can connect your iPhones or your Samsung phones as well. But yeah, as you can see on the screen, you can actually watch the telly while you're actually exercising. So I thought I'd better give this a go, you know. I want to lose a little bit of weight for the summer. But yeah, doesn't it look good? It's ideal, isn't it, yeah? So I will be following this guy's program, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. So guys, if you're thinking of buying one of these, I do recommend it, yeah? So it's a lot cheaper than a Peloton. and you get everything as well with this screen a lot. So check out the website, yesoul.com, and they'll tell you all the prices and the delivery dates of all the machines. They don't just do treadmills, they actually do exercise bikes, row machines, etc. So yeah, check them all out. So yeah, go. I'll put a link in below that gets you direct to the website as well. And there's also a discount code on there as well. So yeah, check it all out. So I'm pleased with this. What's going to happen in a few months' time? You never know. I might lose this little tub. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you later. Right, so let's pack it away. Almost to it.